All right, we're going to talk about how to use banner.photor.com. So I typically just go and choose the template right here, but you can create your own custom size. I like this size right here. It works really well for Canvas. So I just click on that one, and then it gives me a whole bunch of templates. And I can even go over here to Etsy and get even more templates. So I just pick one that I like. And you can start with anything and then make it your own. So this one has this is just one image, and you see how I can move it around. I could actually take it out and put in my own image if I wanted to do that, but I'm going to leave that one there for now. And then I'm going to come over here, and you see how it just puts a box around this little part of the text. So I can change that text over here in the edit box, and I can change its position, its type, anything pretty much that goes along with text. You can change it there. You can change the color, all those fun things, and just hit the X to get rid of that box. Go to the next box, do the same thing. I'm just going to change this to that. If I wanted to change the background, so right now the background is white, I can make it textured. I could insert more text if I wanted to. I could add something else on here, another image if I wanted to. They have some more over here, and you can get to more templates down here. You can add photos or images from your computer or those other choices down there, but they're blocked at school, so you'll have to do that at home. When you're finished, just hit the Save button, apply, and then over here on the right, it's going to give it some crazy name. So you want to highlight that, change the name so you can find it later. It's going to save it as a JPEG. JPEG and PNG both work for Canvas, so you can save it either way. Hit Save. It comes up, where do you want to save it? I always save to my desktop so I can find it when I go to Canvas, and then I have saved it. And you can see right over here, it is on my desktop, ready to go to Canvas.